In today's video, I'm going to teach you Airtable N8N texting API. We're going to build a simple automation that watches for new or updated records in Airtable and then sends a text message using that record's information. This is a great setup if you want to automate reminders, notifications, follow-ups, or internal alerts without manually sending each message. To begin, open N8N and create a new workflow. Starting with a fresh workflow keeps everything organized and makes it easier to follow the automation from start to finish. Once the blank canvas is open, you're ready to add the first step in the process. Next, add an Airtable node that will detect new or updated records. This is the trigger that starts the workflow. In other words, whenever something changes in your Airtable base, this node will pick it up and pass that data into the rest of the automation. Make sure you choose the option that fits your use case, whether you want to react to brand new records, updated records, or both. After that, connect Airtable using your personal access token. This allows N8N to securely access your Airtable data. As you set this up, be sure to select the correct base and table so the workflow listens to the right records. It's always a good idea to double check that your fields are named clearly in Airtable because those field names will be important when mapping data later. Now add the texting step. You can do this with an HTTP request node or with a texting service node, depending on the service you're using. This is the part of the workflow that actually sends the SMS message. Once the node is added, configure it so it can receive data coming from Airtable. For the phone number, map the phone number field from Airtable. This tells the texting step exactly where to send the message. Make sure the phone number field in Airtable contains properly formatted numbers, since formatting issues are one of the most common reasons messages fail. Then map the message field from Airtable as the SMS content. Whatever text is stored in that field will become the body of the message. This is what makes the automation flexible, because each Airtable record can contain a different message. Once everything is connected, run the workflow and confirm that the text message sends successfully. Testing is important because it helps you catch issues with credentials, field mapping, or formatting before the workflow goes live. If something doesn't work, review each node carefully and check that the correct Airtable fields are being passed through. When the test is successful, turn on the workflow. Activating it allows the automation to run in the background whenever new or updated Airtable records appear, and that's it. Your Airtable to texting workflow is now ready to use.